When clicking on a file, is the expected program not opening up for you? Are you getting a page of computer script? Just looks like a mess, maybe computer code. Well, it could be that your default file type associations are corrupt or set for the wrong programs. This is Paul, one of the techs here at Micro Center, and today I'm going to show you how to go in and check those settings and perhaps change them. Let's get started.
Alright, first thing we want to do, as always, go ahead and click on the Start button in the lower left hand corner. Go to Control Panel, click on Default Programs. Go into Set Your Default Programs. This is going to show us a list of programs on your computer, and as you click on them, it'll tell you if the program has all of its defaults or some of its defaults. Usually a good one to check is like a media player. So let's go to VLC. VLC has all of its defaults, so that would infer that another media player does not have all of its defaults. So let's go ahead and check. Yeah, see, Windows Media Player has 10 of 86 defaults, and that just means when you click on a program, what program will open up to view or play that file, or to use that file. That's not always going to be a media type. So in this case, you're just saying when you click on a media, a movie that you want it to use VLC Media Player. So if you're having problems opening up Word documents, or if they're coming up scrambled, it might be a problem with the program defaults, because your Windows doesn't know what to do with that program, so it's scrambled. It's just coming up as junk. Another place to check that would be go to Associate a File Type or Protocol with the program. Give that a moment to load. Again, I'm just going to use media as an example. I'll go back to the document example in a moment. Well, let's go to MOVs. Click on MOV, change program. It's going to offer you different programs on your computer that it knows will open that. So it's Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, which is the default, iTunes, and Media Player Classic. You can also choose a program to open it up. You would just hit Browse and then go into Program Files and actually click on the executable for that program. Now, let's take a look. Okay, so let's say that you're clicking on a Word document and it's just coming up as code. It just looks like computer code. Doesn't really make a lot of sense. It's a lot of gobbledygook. Basically, it sounds like you don't have Word on your system and it doesn't know what to do with it. Your computer doesn't know what to do with it. So let's go ahead and look at Docs. So you'd want to go ahead and highlight the file type that you're having problems with. Click on Change Program. And if nothing's up here for recommended program, and you know that it's a document or a docx that's going to open up with Word, click on Browse. Go to Program Files or Program Files 86. Click on Office, and then within there you would find the Word.exe that you would then associate with doc or docx, and then click OK, which then would allow you to open up that file type. If you don't feel like going through all that, reinstalling the program would be your other choice. That would reset the defaults. Okay, that's how to set or change your default programs and file associations. If you have any other questions, come visit us at www.microcentertech.com.